Well, Apple Pay is finally here in the Philippines. And if you haven't had the chance to check out these news, or if you haven't had the chance to add your cards, here are three ways that you can add your card to your Apple Pay wallet. Okay, so what you need to do is to go to your wallet app. Just open your wallet app and tap on the plus sign. So there are three options available for you here. You can add the cards found for you from other devices. You can add the debit or credit card, or you can add from the apps that you are using that supports Apple Pay. So right now here in the Philippines, there are only four banks that are supported. The first is GoTime, Union Bank, China Bank, and the last one is Metro Bank. So we're looking forward to some other banks finally adopting and supporting Apple Pay so we can add more to this list. Now, let me go ahead and show you, first of all, how we can add using the bank apps. Say, for example, GoTime. So I'll go ahead and tap GoTime PH, and I'll just need to log in. So I have here the physical card and the virtual card. I can add them both right away by just tapping continue and then tap continue one more time. So we'll just have to wait for this to finish. So it's still contacting the card issuer. And then we'll go ahead and tap on agree. Now, I don't expect you to read all those terms and conditions. That's too long. So we just go ahead and tap agree anyway. All right, the card's been added. All right, so we have now the second card. We'll go ahead and tap continue again. And then again, tap agree. Okay, so both the GoTime virtual card and the GoTime physical card have been added to our wallet. So let's go ahead and close that one. So you have your virtual and the physical. All right, so that's the first step, adding it using the app that's already installed on our phone. So let's go tap the plus sign one more time. We'll go ahead and tap debit or credit card. Then we'll tap continue. All right, so for this one, you need to have your physical card with you because we'll be placing the phone at the back of our card. So you see the strip of the card. So we'll just go ahead and put it close to the card. All right, so we tap agree. Now, this card that I tried to add is from Union Bank, and this card is actually the one that was issued to me by Pag-ibig. So it's the Pag-ibig loyalty card, and I just used it and it worked. So we'll go ahead and complete verification. Tap next. All right, so we verify, tap on authorize. Okay, so it's now been successfully added. Now, if, say, for example, the card that you have is an old card that doesn't have the NFC, which is very unlikely, but just in case, you can still add your card by tapping on enter card details manually. So if you tap that, you can just go ahead and enter the card number, and that will be it. It will still be the same way. You can still add it, even if the card that you're using could not be scanned using NFC. So you can add the card details manually. All right, so those are the three options. Enter the card manually. You can scan the NFC on your card, and at the same time, you can add the card using the banking app for your card. So thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to leave those in the comments. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe and I'll see you on the next one.